Hey guys, so we are going to be talking about the Moosend actions in workflows. With this, you can easily add a subscriber, add a mail list, update a mail list for subscribers. You can delete a mail list, you can update a mail list, you can delete a subscriber from mail list, you can unsubscribe subscribers from a mail list, and so on as actions in your workflow. So these actions you do them directly in your workflow and they affect your so we are going to show you quick steps how to set this up and complete installation. You start by logging into your GHL Plugins account. While in your GHL Plugins account, you can go to Workflow Apps. Now you go to the search bar where you're going to search for Moosend. So I am switching to installed apps because I have installed that already. If you've not installed, you search under the available apps. If you want to install Moosend, you just click on the app icon. It's going to open the tab that will show you how that will connect you to your agency. So here you're going to select your agency. You're going to enable the checkboxes that will let your app access sub accounts and maybe future installations and updates and so on. So when you check the two boxes, you click on proceed. When that is done, it's going to complete your installation automatically, and now you'll be redirected back here. In order to access this feature now and complete the connection, you would need to access it through a custom menu link. So if you've not added your custom menu link yet, that should be for your first time installing an app from Workflow Apps. So if it's your first app that you're actually installing on the workflows, then you'd need to copy the custom menu link and add to your agency. So you simply click on this copies, you go to your agency, you switch to agency, you go to settings on your agency and go to custom menu link where you're going to click on the create new button. You select an icon of your choice, you enter the link title, then you're going to paste in the link here, the link you copied earlier, you paste in here. Then you set up the other preferences. So you may want to disable this one for agency and let just one of these. Either you want to access for specific sub accounts or for all sub accounts. The choice is yours. When you're done with this setup, then you save. You're going to switch to that sub account in which you want to use the custom actions. You go down, you scroll and search for the custom link you just added. So my custom link is called my and normally it's supposed to pop up under available apps, but I have installed that and connected already. So I'm going to search under connected. You will search under available. So here I'm going to search for Moosend, which is here already. So I just need to click on Moosend. Now Moosend asks me, this is for the connection. To complete connection, I need the API key. How do I get the API key from Moosend? Now I need to log in into my Moosend account. When you log in, this is the home page. You click on more, the drop down, you go to settings, you go to API key, and you can copy your API key from here. Just simply clicking here, it's copied. You come back, paste your API key and you submit, and your connection has been completed. Now you're good to go with using these actions in your workflow. So you can open whatsoever workflow in this sub account and you have access to the various actions that come with this service. You can use it just like every other action. So you can set up your trigger, your preferred trigger, then you can set up the action what at any level in your workflow as you wish. So I'm going to search for quick search for Moosend services. So these are the various actions that you can use. Just click on and you fill in the various fields required for each action. So this, for instance, is to add subscriber. So here you can select the list. Since we've connected with the API key already, it's going to grab the list and show you the list of the mailing list, different mailing list that you have here. You can select and you put in the name. You can notice that you can use custom fields here, and that's pretty cool and pretty close to usage. Now if there is any stuff that it's hindering you, maybe a step that you missed out, maybe the process or maybe an action, you can get to us very willing and happy to hop even on the call or make a loom to explain you some stuff whatsoever, just let us know and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.